Hi everyone. We've talked about counting and showing numbers in so many different ways, and I know that each of you has this special 10 frame that was given to you in your packets. And in our classroom, I have this one here that I can use to show numbers by modeling them on a 10 frame. And remember that when we use a model, that's a picture of something, and it shows us the number on a 10 frame when we put different quantities on here, different amounts. So let's say we've got our number cards and I pick a number, and the number I pick is 0. The way I show that on the 10 frame is by not putting anything up there. I'm going to mix up these numbers and I'm going to pick a different number to show on the 10 frame. Let's see. You guys can do this at home. Look at this. What number is that, boys and girls? That's right, it's a 5. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 5 right here, and then I'm going to show it on the 10 frame. And it looks like this marker is running out of ink, but remember how Mrs. Lewis said, we're going to see some mistakes, right? We're going to see things that don't quite work perfectly, and that's okay, because we keep on rolling, just like Pete the cat. So that's the number 5. Now let's show that on the 10 frame. Will you please count with me, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last week, kaboom, last week we did a human 10 frame, right? And we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grown-ups. Let's see if this one will work a little bit better. That number looks like this, and we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on our 10 frame. Let's go ahead and we'll pick a different number, and then we will create it on our 10 frame, and I'll write the number. Let's see which one we're going to get. 8. The number 8. Okay, so think in your smart brains. We have 7 up here now. Next, we're going to do 8. Do we need more dots or less dots, boys and girls? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That doesn't match. We need one more to make 8. Now let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hooray! We've got a match. Now before I end with you today, I would like to read you a book. And this is special because it's a counting book. It is called Feast for 10. Do you remember what this part of the book is called? You got it! The front cover. So then this must be absolutely, the back cover. Excellent! This book was written and illustrated by Katherine Falwell. What's this page called? Do you remember what this is called? Exactly, the title page. Feast for 10. And it has our author and illustrator's name again at the bottom, Katherine Falwell. The author writes the words and the illustrator makes the pictures. And when there's one name, that person does both. 1 cart into the grocery store. Look at that. 1 cart. This is a counting book, and I want you to tell me if it counts forward, where the numbers start smaller and get bigger, or if it counts backwards, where the numbers start bigger and get smaller. So we're starting with 1. 2 pumpkins for pie. 1, 2. Excellent. 3. That's the number 3. 3 chickens to fry. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. This book seems to rhyme a little bit too. 2 pumpkins for pie, 3 chickens to fry. I love it when books rhyme. Let's find out what's next. 4 children off to look for more. There they are. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 kinds of beans, 6 bunches of greens. That rhymes again. This counting book is fun. Are our numbers getting bigger or smaller? That's right, they're getting bigger. We are counting forward. 7 dill pickles stuffed in a jar. Give me a thumbs up if you love dill pickles, and a thumbs down if they're not your favorite. We all have different opinions, and that's okay. Some of us like them, some of them don't. Our opinion is the way we feel about something, and it's okay if it's not the same. 8 ripe tomatoes, 9 plump potatoes. More rhymes. I'm going to hold it still for a minute so you can count those tomatoes. Awesome. I bet you found all 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one might have been hiding. The book might not have been open far enough for you to see that one. Sneaky tomato. 10 hands to help load the car. Then we're starting over again with our counting. 1 car home from the grocery store. Look at this sweet little sleeper. 2 will look, 3 will cook. 4 will taste and ask for more. 5 empty cans, 6 pots and pans. Look at that. He's recycling those cans. Good job. 7 more carrots to wash and peel. 8 plates down, 9 chairs around. 10 hungry folks to share the meal. Yay! I love how happy this book is, and it ends with them all eating together. Hooray! Bonus picture illustration. Thank you guys for joining me for math today. You know, when I scoot closer, that means that I'm shutting down the video, right? I'll see you next time.